you the unboxing of my DeWalt miter saw, and I'm not 100% that's the correct pronunciation, but I think it's DeWalt miter saw. So when making a decision of what type of miter saw to buy or which brand, I basically went online and read the reviews about each, and definitely the pricing came into play. This is by far the largest piece of equipment that I've used. So far, I think I've only used maybe a drill and a sander. So this is definitely a step up for me. I'm excited about all the new projects I'll be able to do with my miter saw, and I'm excited about learning how to use it. So I'm going to share with you my unboxing. Here it goes. This catches the sawdust. My manual. I mostly watch YouTube to get instructions, but I'm going to hang on to this. It may be very, very helpful. So this is a lot heavier than I thought it was. I guess I wasn't thinking. I did have help bringing it in here, but still didn't seem like it was quite this heavy. Okay, so here we have it. I'm not sure what this is, but I'll find out before I need to use it. And I'm pretty sure that this is the sawdust catcher that I will need to attach here. It did come with a blade, and I'm only comfortable doing that because because it's not plugged up. There's no power to it. And looks like there's some type of lock in place. I want it to at least lift it, but maybe for the best that I do not. I don't know how to use this yet, but I will figure it out. And I'm really excited to have it. So there you have it.